Don't dwell in the past. Genesis 41 verse 51 says, Joseph named his older son Manasseh, for he said, God has made me forget all my troubles and the family of my father. When you dwell in the past, it's hard to forget yung mga nakaraan mo, and it's hard to move on, di ba? Kaya we need to deal with the pain of the past so you can receive the healing that God wants to give you today. And when you move on, then you can move forward to a future of joy and blessing. So, kailangan talaga natin dalhin yung past natin kay God. God was there. He was there in your past. He's now in your present, and He will be there in the future. You need to ask God for you to see, be able to see the good. He brought the good that you can still bring out of that pain na meron ka. Sa case ni Joseph, he could still recall yung mga events, yung mga perpetrators nag-cause ng pain niya. But now he could see that God was using what they intended for evil and developing Joseph's character and a future for his family. Sabi ni Mel Robbins, your past is a lesson, not a life sentence. Forgive yourself and focus on the future.